Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Desi Niasari. I'm a student economic education, Faculty of Economic and Business at State University of Jakarta. In this video, I want to present about my research. My topic is the effect of entrepreneurship education and income expectation on entrepreneurial interest with entrepreneurial attitude as an intervening variable in student at State Senior High School in East Jakarta. Supervisor Professor Dr. Henry Arianto MM and Professor Dr. Ari Sabtono SE MPD. Chapter 1 Introduction Background, Research Purpose, Formulation of the Problem, and Benefit of Research. Background Facing global competition, poverty, and unemployment are problems for developing countries, including Indonesia. Every year, there are high school graduates who are qualified to improve the quality of human resources in Indonesia. The reality is that high school graduates are more directed to the formal sector so that when jobs in the formal sector do not grow, people do not try to create their own jobs. And this is table on employment rate in percent. According to Saputra 2022, in the research Yusuf and Sutanti 2020, in the process of increasing entrepreneurial spirit, it is necessary to foster an interest in entrepreneurship starting now. The reason that influenced the interest in entrepreneurship by various things and many aspects that are not easy to understand the interest of the younger generation in entrepreneurship. This is due to differences in motivation, personality, ideals, and other aspects that each person has. Octavionica, Rusman, and Nurdin 2016. Because of these individual differences, the younger generation has different desires and interested in entrepreneurship. Some people have a great desire and interested to start a business. On the other hand, many of them prefer to be employees. The difference is that many of the factors affecting entrepreneurial interest in the younger generation, among them the motivation that will be an internal impulse and inspire confidence to become an entrepreneurship. Next, Research Rahmania 2015 states that entrepreneurial knowledge has a positive and significant influence on entrepreneurial interest. And according to Cynthia 2019, in PEPI Research 2017, it was reported that the entrepreneurship education variable has a positive and significant effect on entrepreneurial interest. Meanwhile, according to Paramitasari 2016, entrepreneurship education has no effect on entrepreneurial interest. Next, attitude entrepreneurship is wrong. Next, attitude entrepreneurship is from one factor important which influence interest somebody for jump toward business. Attitude this reflect trend individual for act in a way proactive, innovative, and brave, take risks in face uncertainty. And study which done by Husna Hafiza 2019 show that expectation income become reject measured for operate business so that own meaning which positive. Based on observation and experience of students who gain knowledge and skill in learning at school, it is hoped that they can develop into entrepreneur after graduating from school, becoming a young generation with a mentality of creating jobs and not waiting for vacancies. And State Senior High School 17-6 Jakarta and State Senior High School 11 Jakarta equip students with entrepreneurial competency through craft and entrepreneurship subject, as well as entrepreneurship seminar. Activities in craft and entrepreneurship subject include as introduction to entrepreneurial theory and practice, entrepreneurship education in the form of theory is taught in class as a provision for conducting field practice, namely directly involved in running a business. Based on experience and observation, only a few small groups continue their effort. There are still few students who are interested in entering the business world because they consider the risk of loss, uncertain income, lack of confidence, and insufficient capital. Based on the background of the problem and the existing theory, the researchers want to conduct further research on entrepreneurial interests with the title The Effect of Entrepreneurship Education and Income Expectation on Entrepreneurial Interest with entrepreneurial attitude as an intervening variable in student at State Senior High School in East Jakarta. Formulation of the problem. 1. Is there a direct influence of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial attitude in senior high school student in East Jakarta? 2. Is there a direct influence of income expectancy on entrepreneurial attitude in senior high school student in East Jakarta? 3. Is there a direct influence of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest in senior high school student in East Jakarta? 4. Is there a direct influence of income expectancy of entrepreneurial interest in senior high school student in East Jakarta? 5. Is there a direct influence of entrepreneurial attitude on entrepreneurial interest in senior high school student in East Jakarta? 6. Is there an indirect influence of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest through entrepreneurial attitude as an intervening variable in senior high school student in East Jakarta? And the last, is there an indirect influence of income expectation on entrepreneurial interest through entrepreneurial attitude as an intervening variable in senior high school student in East Jakarta? Next, research purpose. 1. There is a direct influence of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial attitude in senior high school student in East Jakarta. 2. There is a direct influence of income expectation of entrepreneurial attitude in senior high school student in East Jakarta. 2, 3. There is a direct influence of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest in senior high school student in East Jakarta. 4. There is a direct influence of income expectation of entrepreneurial interest in senior high school student in East Jakarta. 5. There is a direct influence of entrepreneurial attitude on entrepreneurial interest in senior high school student in East Jakarta. 6. There is an indirect influence of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest stroke entrepreneurial attitude as an intervening variable in senior high school student in East Jakarta. And the last, there is an indirect influence of income expectancy of entrepreneurial interest through entrepreneurial attitude as an intervening variable in benefit of research, theoretical benefit. This research can provide reference and develop relevant knowledge and insight for readers related to the influence of entrepreneurship education, entrepreneurial attitude, and income expectation on entrepreneurial interest. Practical research. For university, this research is expected to be used as assessment material to one extent. Entrepreneurship education can increase student interest in entrepreneurship. For students, this research can be used as motivation and consideration of the importance of entrepreneurship as a direction of determining the future. And for researchers, this research adds insight, knowledge, and experience related to the problem being studied, especially the influence of entrepreneurship education, entrepreneurial and income expectation on entrepreneurial interest. Next, Chapter 2, Literature Review, Grand Theory, Supporting Theory, Relevant Research, Theoretical Framework, and Research Hypothesis. Grand Theory, Theory of Planet Behavior, and Attribution Theory. Theory of planet behavior illustrates that a person is able to think rationally before he determines his attitude and behavior. This means that the individual thinks and considers the consequence of the action taken. This theory is a theory that examines attitude, subjective norms, perceived behavior, control, and in Hayati 2018. According to Eisen 1991, in the theory of planet behavior, there are three concepts in it, namely 1. Attitude toward the behavior, 2. Subjective norm, 3. Perceived behavior control. Next, attribution theory. According to Inayati 2018, attribution theory is a theory that explains how a person behaves. Attribution theory explains how we determine the cause of a person's behavior. The attribution theory provides a framework for understanding the internal and external factors that shape student entrepreneurial theory of entrepreneurship education. Based on aspects of opinion, research conclude that entrepreneurship education involves systematic learning to develop entrepreneurial mindset, attitudes, spirit, and values. This enables individuals to think critically and innovatively about entrepreneurial ventures. Next, supporting theory, interest in entrepreneurship. Interest in entrepreneurship can be said to be a feeling of interest and liking accompanied by a desire to learn more deeply, which then continues to realize entrepreneurial activities. Sari 2017. An interest can arise with three factors that influence it as follow Gunawan and Hastuti 2018. One, motivation from within. Two, social motives. Three, emotional factor, feeling of pleasure. Next, entrepreneurship education. Entrepreneurship education is the systematic provision of knowledge regarding business opportunities that are currently still open and growing rapidly. Bharata 2019. The principle of entrepreneurship education put forward by Hastuti et al. 2020 include building personality, behavior, competence, practice, entrepreneur development, and cooperation. Next, income expectation. According to Nur and Anwar, 2022 income expectation are a person expectation about the income that will be obtained through activity such as business and work in line with that. Cynthia 2019 has the same opinion that income expectation are a person hopes for the income received either in the form of goods or money that can meet their life needs. And attitude entrepreneurship, according to Winey and Gardner 2010 and 10, to put forward, attitude can positive as result evaluation to object attitude which express to in process, cognitive, affective or emotion, and behavior. Whereas in Rosa and Hafizatun 2024, attitude entrepreneurship is behavior and ability somebody in handle business or activity which leading on effort look for creative method work, technology and product new with increased efficiency in frame give service which more good or to obtain profit which big. Next, telephone Rers, Nugraha research in entitled The Influence of Income Expectation, Individual Characteristic and Entrepreneurship Education on Entrepreneurial Interest or Case Study on Accounting Study Program Student, Yogyakarta State University. And next, Hapuk et al. Current Hapuk 2020 in the study of Hapuk and colleagues entitled Self-Efficacy and Motivation as Mediation of the Influence of Entrepreneurship Education on Entrepreneurial Interest from the result of the analysis and calculation that have been carried out. This study found results where the levels of self-efficacy, motivation, entrepreneurship education, and entrepreneurial interest are relative high. This means that entrepreneurship education has a significant positive influence on entrepreneurial interest with the strength of the variable of self-efficacy and motivation. So it can be said that motivation can influence the strength of entrepreneurship education to influence entrepreneurial interest. And the last, Gabriel Boldurenu, Aliana Marilucha Lonescu, Anna Maria Bercu, Maria Fiorica Bedure Grigoruta, and Daniel Boldurenu 2020 in their research entitled Entrepreneurship Education Through Successful Entrepreneurial Models in Higher Education Institutions. With the analysis that has been carried out, the result of the study show that entrepreneurship education based on successful entrepreneurial role model can positively influence student entrepreneurial attitudes and attention and can lead to a higher orientation of student perception of the social benefit of entrepreneurship or new jobs compared to finance or high income. Next, this is the theoretical framework and research hypothesis. Each one, entrepreneurship education has a direct influence on entrepreneurial attitude. H2, income expectation have a direct influence on entrepreneurial attitude. H3, entrepreneurship education has a direct influence on entrepreneurial interest. H4, income expectation have a direct influence on entrepreneurial interest. H5, entrepreneurial attitude has a direct influence on entrepreneurial interest. H6, entrepreneurship education has no direct influence on entrepreneurial interest through entrepreneurial attitude as an intervening variable. And the last, H7, income expectation have no direct influence on entrepreneurial interest through entrepreneurial attitude as an intervening variable. Chapter 3, Research Methods, Time and Place of Research, Research Design, Population and Sample, Instrument Development, Data Collection Technique, Data Analysis Techniques. Next, time and place of research. Place of research, 1 State Senior High School, 76 Jakarta, and State Senior High School, 11 Jakarta. Periode Agustus 2024 until January 2025. Or data, primary data, and quantitative population and sample. Target population, student of East Jakarta State Senior High School in Cakung District. The population in this study is too large and numerous, so it can be grouped into two parts, namely the target population and the accessible population. Research population, student of State Senior High School, 76 Jakarta, and State Senior High School, 11 Jakarta. In this study, a questionnaire was used as a data collection tool. Next, instrument development. Interest in entrepreneurship, variable Y. Conceptual definition. Interest in entrepreneurship is a driving desire from within that derives the best desires to achieve good things and personal satisfaction through entrepreneurial activity. Indicator used on flower want to know for entrepreneurship, feel interested for entrepreneurship, feel like for entrepreneurship, and desire for entrepreneurship. Next, entrepreneurship education in variable X1. Conceptual definition, entrepreneurship education is a skill that is given to someone to change their attitude and mindset so that they are interested in becoming an entrepreneur. An indicator you should curriculum, quality power educator, and process to teach. Next, income expectation and variable X2. Conceptual definition, income expectation are a person hopes for the income they want to receive after doing a job to fulfill their living needs. Indicator used, high income and unlimited income. Next, entrepreneurial attitude in variable Z. Conceptual definition, attitude entrepreneurship that is a trend for in Y effective in response risk which will faced in a basis. Indicator you should full of confidence, have initiative, have a leadership spirit, and dare to take calculated risks. Next, data analysis technique, instrument trial, validity test and reliability test, prerequisite analysis test, normality test and linearity test, path analysis, Sobel test, and hypothesis test, T-static test, F-static test, and coefficients of determination. Next, chapter 4, result and discussion. Description data. This is characteristic respondent, category gender, man and woman, and which school are you from? Senior high school 76 and senior high school 11. Gender man, number of respondents 86 and percent 48%, and gender woman 94 and percentage 52%. Which school are you from? Senior high school 76, number of respondents 140, and percentage 78%, and senior high school 11, number of respondents 40, and percentage 22%. And the survey was conducted with a total of 180 participants. Next, description data. This is description data for rank, minimum, maximum, sum, mean, standard deviation, and variance for education entrepreneurship, expectation income, interest entrepreneurship, and entrepreneurial attitude. Next, test try instrument. This is the test validity education entrepreneurship for variable x1 and test validity expectation income for variable x2 and test validity interest entrepreneurship for variable y, and the last test validity attitude entrepreneurship for variable z. And criteria test validity R count grid depth R table, magnitude R table for 180 respondent 0.416. Next, test reliability. This is the table of variable indicator and Cronbach alpha. For entrepreneurship education, Cronbach alpha is 0.679 and income expectation Cronbach alpha 0.715 and interest in entrepreneurship Cronbach alpha 0.659 and the last entrepreneurial attitude Cronbach alpha 0.779. Criteria test reliability mark Cronbach alpha grid depth 0.60. Next, test normality. This is table on one sample Kolmogorov Smirnov test, and this is p-pilot. P-pilot, it can be seen that the data points are on the diagonal line and follow the line. And criteria test normality, level significance, grid depth 0.05. Normality test results are seen from asymptotic in unstandardized residual. Normality test results are seen from asymptotic in unstandardized residual 0.100 graded 0.05. They distribute normal. Next, test linearity. This is table of ANOVA table. The significance of linearity for the entrepreneurial education variable and entrepreneurial interest has a value of 0.000. Then on the income expectation variable on entrepreneurial interest has a value of 0.000, while on the entrepreneurial attitude variable on entrepreneurial interest has a value of 0.000. This states that the linearity assumption on all variable is met because the significance level is small than 0.05. Next, confidence track based on equality. Equality 1, education, entrepreneurship, and expectation income. 2, attitude, entrepreneurship. This is t-test, this is table, and fit-test, this is table, and career test, this is table. Criteria t-test, t-count, read that t-table. For education entrepreneurship, t-count 4.920, read that 1.653, and expectation income 3.766, read that 1.653. For criteria fit test, fit count, read that fit table 34.690, read that 2.66. And cadet test criteria R quadrat x 100. Sin from the R square is 0.2x2 x 100 is 2802. Next, equality 2, education, entrepreneurship, expectation income, and attitude entrepreneurship to interest entrepreneurship. T-test, this is the table, and fit-test, this is the table, and cadet test, this is the table. Criteria T-test, T-count, graded T-table. T-test for expectation income is 3.433, graded T-table 1.953. And for T-table attitude entrepreneurship, T-count 5.344, graded T-table 1.653. Next, criteria fit test, fit count, graded fit table, fit test, education, entrepreneurship, expectation, income, and attitude entrepreneurship to interest entrepreneurship, fit count 36.690, graded 2.66. And cadet test criteria R quadrat x 100 seen from the R square is 0.384 x 100 equals 38.4. Next, influence no direct. Influence no direct education entrepreneurship PXZ x PYZ. PXZ 0.352, PYZ 0.924 and equals 0.3252. Next, influence no direct expectation income PXZ X PYZ PXZ 0.269 X PYZ 0.924 equals 0.2485. Next, Sobel test. 1. Education entrepreneurship. Variable x1. No, there is influence direct to interest entrepreneurship variable y. Through attitude entrepreneurship variable z as variable intervening. Based on result test, has done so can to be continued to the next tech testing Sobel as following. A 0.352 for education entrepreneurship to attitude entrepreneurship. SAI 0.081. B 0.924 for attitude entrepreneurship to interest entrepreneurship. SAB 0.278. Sobel test with Z value 2.597. Next, Sobel test 2 expectation income. No, there is influence direct to interest entrepreneurship through attitude entrepreneurship as variable intervening. Based on result test as done so can to be continued to the next step testing Sobel as following. A 0.269 to expectation income for attitude entrepreneurship. SAA SAA 0.110. B 0.924 for attitude entrepreneurship to interest entrepreneurship. SAB 0.278 with Z value 1.865. Next, this is diagram image track. Chapter 5, closing conclusion. 1. There is a positive and significant influence between entrepreneurship education and entrepreneurial attitudes in students at Senior High School in East Jakarta. This means that the higher or better the entrepreneurship education that students have, the better their entrepreneurial attitudes will be, especially after graduating from high school. 2. There is a positive and significant influence between income expectation and entrepreneurial attitudes in students at Senior High School in East Jakarta. This means that the higher the expectation that students have, the better their entrepreneurial attitudes will be. 3. There is a positive and significant influence between entrepreneurship education and entrepreneurial interest in students at Senior High School in East Jakarta. This means that the higher or better the entrepreneurship education that students receive, the higher their level of interest in entrepreneurship will be. 4. There is a positive and significant influence between income expectation and entrepreneurial interest in students at Senior High School in East Jakarta. This means that the higher the income expectation that students have, the higher their interest in entrepreneurship will be. Next, 5. There is a positive and significant influence between entrepreneurial attitudes and entrepreneurial interest in students at Senior High School in East Jakarta. This means that the better the entrepreneurial attitudes of students, the higher their interest in entrepreneurship will be. And C, there is a positive indirect influence between entrepreneurship education and entrepreneurial interest through entrepreneurial attitudes. This means that entrepreneurial attitudes can be an effective mediator in the relationship between entrepreneurship education and entrepreneurial interest. In other words, entrepreneurship education can increase positive attitudes towards entrepreneurship. These attitudes always significantly continue their influence on entrepreneurial interest. And the last, there is a negative indirect influence between income expectation and entrepreneurial interest through entrepreneurial attitudes. This meant that there is only a direct influence between income expectation and entrepreneurial interest and not through entrepreneurial attitudes as an intervening variable. This is evidenced by the fact that entrepreneurial attitudes are not always a strong mediator between income expectation and entrepreneurial interest. Next, recommendation for students. It is a better to increase interest in entrepreneurship by developing entrepreneurial attitudes such as creativity, innovation, and independence so that they can get direct experience in participating in entrepreneurship training or workshop to increase interest and abilities and prepare themselves to become successful entrepreneurs in the future. For school, the further equip students with entrepreneurial knowledge both through practice and theory through the learning process in the classroom. The higher the student entrepreneurial knowledge, the more open their insight about entrepreneurship will be and will increase their interest in entrepreneurship. And the last, for further research, due to the limitation of variable, other variables such as family, environment, work experience, or social support can be added to understand the influence of entrepreneurial interest. Furthermore, different analysis techniques can be used, such as using the same method to understand the relationship between variables. That's all for me about research proposal. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.